How to share a template on Canva. Open Canva. Go to Templates. Select the template you want to use. Click on Template. Again, click on Template. And here you can edit template too, but I am not editing. On the top you can see Share option. Click on Share. Now click on More. Now here click on Template link. Click on Create Template link. Now link is created. Click on Copy. Link is copied to clipboard. Now send it to anyone. Then go and click on link to open it. You can see it, how it looks like when the person opens it. Here it is. The person can edit this template or can use this template for new design. That's how you can share a template on Canva. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload.